Test. Okay, hello everyone. So today in this video, let me just lower this 1 second. Test. Okay, hello everyone. So
Oh,
today in
no,
this
no,
video,
no,
let me
no.
just lower
That's
this one
too
second.
much.
Test.
Okay.
If I go here, now I can lower that. Much better. No, test. Test. Okay, so those of you who just joined the live stream, and you guys, obviously some of you don't know what MCCH is. But what Minecraft created, MCCH is basically a abbreviation for Minecraft Creator Hub, which is this right here. Let me just get a few things set up and then I'll be starting. So, okay, now I will start. So, this is the website here, and you guys can also check it out. I will send the link right now. Random factor name search. Okay, so what this website is, it's just a really helpful tool for Minecraft creators, and this can also help you learn JavaScript, and it's really the best guide for Minecraft creators, beginners and pros. So let's get started, and in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys um, what this can do, and I'll also be doing those stuff so that you guys can follow along or just, I don't know, watch for like as a tutorial. So let's start with the scripter. It has menus, it has a lot of stuff. It can also create shop menus, something like this. Normal menus with some buttons. If I go here and just add a button named test. And yeah, that's the button named. There is a lot of cool stuff here. So since I already went over these, I'm not going to be doing them right away. I'm going to be going over the particle billboard creator. Particle, add particle. So I'm going to do, for the add-on name, I'm just going to do YouTube test particle billboard. And then I'm just going to put random stuff for the description. And I'm not going to do a pack icon. Particle name, I'm going to name it YouTube icon. Particle size, I'm going to make it 3. And now choose a particle image. So for the particle image, I'm going to just search up YouTube icon. I am going to make it transparent background. So this one, this would work. I think I can drag and drop. Nope, I can't drag and drop. I can only drag and drop for the icons. I should fix that later, but for now I'm just gonna just select a file from downloads and then select. There you go. Now I can just download it. Click download, and I just created my very own add-on. Now what I can do with this, oh, you guys can't see it, but if I do this, and this, and this, now you guys can see it. Okay, so here, after I get this add-on, I will have to rename this .zip to .mc add-on. MC add-on. But if that isn't if the .zip isn't showing up for you guys, what you guys can do is go back to this page here, and I'm already finished with this, so I can go to file, I think file, no, file editor. I'll go to coder, choose file, and then I'll import this file. Now what I can do is rename this to uh, random add-on .mc add-on. I gotta fix the font color. It's not showing the font color right now. Okay, and now I hope this works. It's not a valid zip. It did not work. Okay, so no, you can't use this, but you can definitely just go to the files and go to show more options, and then just find the part where it says show extension names and stuff, and then it will show you the .zip, and then just rename it to .mc add-on, and then double click it if you're on PC. If you're on like iPads and phones, just click it once or just share it to Minecraft to open the add-on, and it'll just import it directly to Minecraft. I just clicked on the wrong world, so let's find this add-on and then activate, anyways. There you go. Wait, no, this is the wrong world again. There you go. Okay, and now I will activate the, where did it go? I'll just re-import it again. Duplicate detected, I will. Why is it not showing up now? Okay, it was showing up right here. Nope, it wasn't. And still not. Oh, okay, so it did import to Minecraft correctly, but I forgot that particles are only resource packs, not behavior packs, so there you go. It's going to be a resource pack, and then as soon as I activate it, I can just go into the world. And I named it YouTube icon, right? So it has to start with, if I go back to this Minecraft Creator Hub page, and then go to Quick Tools, and then Particle Billboard, examples. This is how it's going to be done. So it's going to start with slash particle, and then there. Slash give as command block. I can do this. Make this a repeat always active, and then that. And here, I'm going to erase all of this and type, what was the add-on name? It was YouTube icon. YouTube icon. There. And then I get the particle in Minecraft. Just so that's how you basically import an image into Minecraft. Isn't that cool? And this can be any kind of image. It does not matter how big it is, or it's just, this is just a particle, so you can't kill it, interact with it, or anything. But if you remove this command block, it will go away. Just like that. and you can place it again. And of course, you guys could have like wrote something like subscribed to something something, or join something something, or realm code or server IP address, and then just set this as a particle in your server. Wait, you guys can't see it. Okay, I'm sorry about all that. I hope you guys could see the other part, so let me just do this because you guys were not able to see anything. So what I was doing is basically I put this command. I'm just gonna redo it all. So I copied this from MCCH and then pasted it, and then delete all this, and then I put in the name of the particle that I put it as. So it was YouTube icon, and this is gonna be like right next to the command block, so I'm gonna make it a bit higher, like 10 blocks higher than the command block. And there you go. It's gonna be right here. And just as I was saying, you guys can create your own images on like what Pixel Painter in Minecraft Creator Hub, but it's only for um keyboard and mouse, so it can't be for iPads and touchscreen devices and stuff, especially phones. So yeah, this is really cool, and you guys could put text on these images and then um, turn these images into particles like this, and just set it up on your worlds, servers, and realms. It's really cool, and you guys should definitely use it. So okay, now let's move on to the next tool. By the way, here are some examples, and I believe I forgot it. No, yeah, I forgot to upload the video link here. But of course, you guys can watch this live stream over and over again if you guys do not get something. And now next thing is MCFunction add-on creator. MCFunction creator. This has a tutorial, but I will still go over it because it's horrible. So what I'm gonna name the add-on is MCFunction test for YouTube. For YouTube, I'm gonna do random description. I'm not gonna even select a pack icon. And then I'm just going to click on Add MC Function button, and then I'll have to um, put a name for this MC function. So it cannot include any special characters, and it can include numbers and letters only. It cannot include spaces, so I'll have to... It can include like underscores and dashes, they're no problem, but you can't do like these stuff. It'll throw some syntax errors. So what I'm gonna name this function is what function, what should this function do? Should be you ran or random luck, random luck. So now what I'm gonna do is actually no, give apple function. So that's gonna just give at s apple. Okay, so this is gonna give the apple to the person who ran the command because it says at s. And of course you guys can use at p, at a, but I'm just gonna go at s. And then, so good thing about functions is that you guys can, just like NPC, like dialogue parts, you guys can put a lot of commands in there. It's the same thing with MC functions. What I can do now is title at s title u dot apple, play sound random dot level up s. I'm gonna make it so it plays sound for everyone, and then just click download. And I'm gonna now go to my folders or downloads right here. Now, just like I said before, um, where did that go? Okay, there it is right here. What I'll have to do is find like the settings option for your files. So mine was right here. You guys can't see it because it just opened something in a new window. I'm gonna try this, I think. No. Details. It's really hard, but it says in the options, it will say find, like, no, it says show all extensions, extension names and stuff. So then just click that so it shows the .zips, .mc add-ons and everything. Then let me just lower this. This is really loud. Test. Test. Okay, test. That's much better. So what I'm going to do is just rename this, like always, to .mc add-on. And then just double click it if you're on PC, but just share it or click it once if you're on iPads or iPhones, if you're in Pocket Edition. It's not called Pocket Edition, but I will still call it that. And there you go, that's the add-on. Just click on activate, and it's going to be activated, and just join the world. Make sure beta APIs are on, but it's not required for MC functions, but you guys should still keep it on. And then I will need a command block, or no, I can just do it on do it using normal chat commands too. So like /function give apple. It plays that sound, gives me an apple, and does that title thing. Now let's say I wanted to edit this. I wanted to edit this, but I accidentally so let's say I wrote like 100,000 MC functions in there, and then I also got rid of this page. How would I find that file and edit it? So simply just go to your files, and that's the MC function add-on. I found it right there. And then go to Minecraft Creator Hub right here, and then click on menu, tools, and then coder. So now this is going to also cover the coder tool. And then just click on this button right here, and then it will ask you which file, and then just click on the file that you wanted. Wait, no, this would not work. This would not work. The coder isn't for this type of stuff. So just go to tools, go to file editor, and then, yep, and then click on this again, and then upload that file. And then here, you can click on select a file to edit. Now, if you guys have like a lot more stuff in that file, it will give you a lot of options and stuff. It'll be really hard. It'll be like random stuff, but just try to look for files that ends with .mcfunction, and then it also has your name, the name of the function that you named it. So I'm gonna click on that, and then it'll just display it right here. Now, what I can do is edit this. I can add, I can do like what of Minecraft Creator Hub we need. Drop down menu. Okay, so what I can do is give at s apple. Actually, no, give at s. What was it again? What items were there in Minecraft? Like apple stuff. Carrot. Carrot. I can do that. I can also do set block dirt, set block 2 blocks above me, diamond underscore block, and of course I can just do this a million times, so I can just copy and paste this, not like that. Make sure that you press enter before doing another command, just like that. It's gonna be good. And now that I'm done editing this MC function, I can just click on download, and it'll just download this as MC function. Now what I can do is I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. See, so I got the file now. I got the updated one. It'll say updated right here. Just double click it, import it to Minecraft. So the reason why it says duplicate detected is because we forgot to update the manifest. So what the manifest is, so these things right here, the UIDs, have like their identifiers. So if it detects the same identifier, like right here, it will say duplicate detected. Now what we need to do to fix that issue is go to Minecraft Creator Hub again on a new page, and then click on menu, and then quick tools, and then manifest creator. Here's the manifest creator. What we can do now is, or actually we can just do it a lot faster by going to tools and then UUID generator right here. So click on generate UUID and then copy UUID and then go here, select all this um that's within these things right here. Select all of it and then change it by pasting. So now we changed that one, but since there is another one, we're gonna also delete this and then generate another UUID and then copy it, paste, and double check that we changed all UUIDs, and that's it. I'm also gonna name it, like, I'm gonna put V2 so that I can know the difference between the old one and the new one. And now I can just click on download as MC add-on and import it to Minecraft. Import started, successfully imported add-on. Now I'll just go ahead and delete this. And right here it says V2. Activate, activate. Now what I can do is install function, give apple. There you go. It'll give me the apple, carrots, and set blocks. Just like that. That's really cool, isn't it? And I can set this on a command block too, so that it'll just spam that command and yeah, whatever you guys want to do with that function commands. So instead of just using billions of commands in your world, because command blocks are really laggy. Look at this. If you guys haven't noticed, command blocks have these blocked animations. So see how the colors are kind of changing lightly? Those animations will also lag the world. So these are not going to lag much. But if you have now hundreds of these, 200s of these, which is pretty common for Minecraft command block nerds, so it's going to be laggy. But what you can do is just copy those repeating command blocks and just paste the commands into an MCFunction. Um, it's just going to make it a lot more efficient, and it'll remove almost half of your lag, if not even more than that. We're not going to go over this. This one is a lot more advanced. I might go over it at the end, but I'm not going to go over it right now. So another thing that I want to go over is, let me see who's even watching. Okay, so image editors. No, I'm gonna go over the glyph generators because they're extremely cool. So, where's the glyph generators? It's in quick tools, glyphs. So, glyph creator, right here, I got the glyph creator. So, I need to choose the images. So, like, what type of images do I want to convert into glyphs? So, what you can do with glyphs, let me just go here, search up Minecraft glyphs. Uni. Okay, right here. I got all these things. So you guys might have seen some people copying and pasting these in Minecraft. So what I can do is I can, for example, copy this and go to Minecraft and paste it. And you guys will see that actual image in Minecraft, but it's in the chat. So what I can do is also take it sign and put that image in a sign and even inside command blocks. Isn't that very cool? I can even do title as title and look at it. It will just display that in a title too. Even action bar and anything, just basically anything it will display it in. It can even be your world. So if I go here, I can make it display this in the world too. Paste, and people will actually see that icon in the world. So I have no one using it, but I have here some servers. See, Lifeboat is using this, Mineville is using this kind of glyph, and then CubeCraft is using this kind of glyph. I've never seen it, so I believe it's custom, and then they're using the star, the hive. Yeah, I've never seen this. I should look into it more. It's really unique. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you guys how you guys can use your own custom glyphs. So these are default glyphs, which is Minecraft's glyphs. Minecraft created them, and they're just defaults. They're boring. Like, if you wanted to add something else, you can't. You gotta use these. But with Minecraft Creator Hub, you can do that. So I'm gonna search up images like emoji. This emoji right here. I'm gonna just save this emoji. Save. I'm gonna also save this emoji. Also save this one. I can also take something like, what can I do? Uh, Minecraft icon. I can even take the Minecraft icon, save image. But one thing I can't do is, turn GIFs, like animated images, into, them. So what I can do is 3D, square. 3D square, save image, transparent, this, that's not cool, this, that's not cool too, yep, that's cool. So I'm gonna save this, right here. Okay, now I got a bunch of images, you guys. So yeah, you guys can see I got all these images here. Now, I'm gonna delete all of them and go here and click on choose files and then just import and then just select all the images. So I also included the YouTube icon. And then here, I would suggest keeping these, the grid size under 256. If you make it 1024, it's not gonna even load. I've tried it a lot of times, and even though I have a really strong PC, it's not loaded. 512, I have made it, but it's not going to load. So this is just basically the size of the image and the quality of the image. So the pixel quality and the size of the image. So this is going to be the smallest, which is going to be 8 pixels by 8 pixels. So it's going to be really small. This one is going to be a bit bigger, 16 pixels by 16 pixels, which is a lot higher quality. And I can also click it and see those glyphs right here. I can do this to make it even more higher quality, even more higher, 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 and then it's gonna start having a delay to load these images. I'm not gonna do this one, but I can draw actually. Oh, well, it actually worked. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna be way too big. Or should I do that? You know, just for the fun of this video, I'm just gonna do it. It's just really fun to do it. It's gonna be really big, and it's gonna take out like almost all of like signs and everything. So now what I can do is show it to you guys right here. So I'll get this kind of image. It's just a normal image, so if I there, as you guys can see, it takes a few seconds to load the image because this image is actually super big, extremely big. So I'm gonna actually make it a bit smaller because I don't want to make Minecraft take ages to load it. I'm gonna actually have 2 copies of it. So now I'm gonna go to another page and open Quick Tools, Glyphs, and then Hex to... Hold on, I don't have that thing. So I'm just gonna click the tutorial thing, go to this video, and then go to the description, and then here I'm gonna click on so it says here's the glyphs template, so I'm gonna go download that. Boom, now I got the template right here. What I'll do now with the template is, so right here, let me show it to you guys one more time. I got the template. If I open the file, add on this one right here, it will be a lot better if I just open this with Minecraft Creator Hub file editor. So I'm done with this page, but I'm still gonna keep it. I'm gonna open another tab, and here I'm gonna do tools, no, quick tools, go back, tools, file editor, choose the file and choose that template again. Wait, you can't upload files here, so okay, I'm gonna go back here because you can't put files in there. So what I'm gonna do is see this, I'm gonna copy this and just paste it. So it's basically extracting the file, but I don't want to extract it. It just takes a lot more time to do that. And I'm gonna name it glyph one. Double click to open it, and then go to, so it'll have manifest file and then font file. Go to the font file, and it has nothing in it because you're supposed to put the image in there. So now I'm gonna go to downloads, and then there should be a combined underscore image. And if I click the image, you guys would see the image, but now I'm gonna copy both of them because this one is the large size and this one is a small size. Copy that, paste, and what I'll have to do is name this, rename it to glyph underscore e. I want to name it e1, and this one I'm gonna name it glyph underscore e2. Boom. And I'll have to get rid of that thing right there. Boom. So now I got glyph e1 and glyph e2. Now I can just go back and then see this file, click it, and then find the option to compress it to a zip file. Okay, now it's compressed. Now what I can do is just go here, rename it to .mc add-on. Yeah, and import it to Minecraft. And it throws an error. I'm gonna try it one more time. Unknown pack name. Oh, okay, so since this was a template, it did not provide a pack name. So what I'll have to do is go back to the manifest right here. And here it says pack name and then UUID1 and 2. So now I'll have to go back. Oh, you guys can't see the thing again. So what I'm gonna do is, now that I renamed it to .mc add-on, I'm gonna open up Minecraft Creator Hub file editor. Where is file editor? Minecraft Creator Hub, File Editor. There, choose the file, boom, import, and now I'm going to select the manifest.json right there. Epic. Now, what I can do is, here I can put the add-on name. Actually, what I'm going to do, never mind. So what I can do here is put glyph for YouTube test. I'm just gonna leave that. Description, I'm just gonna leave it just as description. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a UID. So tools, UID generator, generate UID, copy UID, and then remove this, paste, generate another one. Make sure that the UIDs are different so that you guys don't get duplicate detected. Boom, boom, and now what I can do is double check. Yep. Oh, okay. Where did the... And there you go. The website froze because... Yeah, I'm gonna close the website. So yeah, just don't try to edit like image files because it's really hard. It takes a lot of processing power to open up that image file. But of course, if you guys really wanted to, you guys can use Coder for that because it's really good at that. It's really fast and easy. And it just broke everything now. The thing is not even loading. Okay. I'm just gonna close the page and open a new one and hope that it opens. I think I just overloaded the whole entire site. It's made from Google Sites, so it's really not so strong, so it's not good for these stuff, and I think I just... Okay, it's all gone. I will just reopen. Minecraft. Okay. Tools. File editor. There you go. Now I'll just quickly speedrun what I just did. Let's Okay, well I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then that. And the second UID. Make sure that they're different. And download as the add-on. And import it to Minecraft. Successfully imported. Okay, now what I need to do is actually go here and activate the add-on. So it's only a resource pack. So meaning that this is only a resource pack does not mean that you guys can just activate this in global resource pack. You guys can actually do that and use it, but it's not going to be visible for everyone else. Okay, now that I activated the pack, I'll have to go here, go to Quick Tools, Glyphs, and Hex to Emoji. Now, here, I'll have to start with a 0x. So it's always going to start with 0x no matter what. And E1, since I named the first one at E and then a 1. Now, what I'm going to do is just click all of these open. Right. Now I'm gonna copy all of them. You guys don't have to, but you guys can open up the image and kind of eyeball where the image will land on, like it's in this kind of grid. Now what I can do is just go back to Minecraft and paste it all in. What happened? Okay, that image is, what if I paste it here? Oh my god, that image is so big that, look, guys, that image is so big and it's only visible from one side. So this is actually like revolutionary for these stuff. Like look at it. I can assign, like I can put an image in this, and I believe it is visible in the chat too, but it's really hard to see it because I practically broke my chat. And I can also put this in a command block, just like how I did with this. Boom. Oh, oh my god. Imagine if someone in your world just joined it and then they were like asking for operator and then they tried to do this on a command block and then saw this. They would have no idea on what's going on. And better thing is you can also name an item with this. So if I paste it, oh my god. Now, as soon as I hover over that item, like look at it, it's gonna be laggy, super laggy. And if I open it in my inventory, it's gonna show that. Now, imagine if I created a pack where it renamed all of these items into something like this. Now, let me try a different one. So here, right, I'll try this one here. This one was probably like some kind of random. Oh my god, my Minecraft is lagging so much now. Because these images are so big. When I hold this carrot in my thing, it's not gonna even like be able to process it, so it's so laggy. Except you can't even do that one, so I'm gonna put it inside. Yeah, and then it's this one. And I think the last one here would be nothing. This one. This one is YouTube icon. So similar to the particle one, this one, however, is just in a sign. So I can destroy this. So if I remove the sign, it's gone. And unlike the particle one, if I went on the other side, I will not be able to see this. It's only one-sided, and it stays on a sign. So it's really cool. So if you guys place something like a barrier, so slash div at s barrier, right? If I go here and then do this and do that, now look at it. It's floating, and if the player goes on to the other side, they won't be able to see it. But you can paste this on the other side of the sign too, and this will be so weird. So if the player is on like the side of the sign, they'll be able to see the sign only, but they will not be able to see the image. But the image is visible on both sides, which is going to make you look like this thing is super cool. Now let me do the smaller one. So the smaller one I named it E2. I'll do that, and I can copy this again, or oh my god. That was actually not the biggest one. Oh my god. This was the 1020 pixel one. That was the 512 one. My Minecraft is probably gonna crash now. I can't. Okay, now I can move. But look how big this is. This is just super big. And if I, it doesn't even render very well if I don't look at it. Now I want to do that YouTube icon. So if I do this, was it this one? The YouTube icon. Yep, there's the YouTube icon. And compared to this one right here, this YouTube icon is extremely big. And if I go to the other side, it's that, it's this, and particles, you cannot do this with particles. You can, actually, but it's kind of hard. You need to, like, MCCH won't be able to do that because you need to actually know how to code and change the code and stuff into something else. Like, so yeah, I don't even know how to do it, but I can look into it and do it. But it's really a time waster. So instead of doing it, just do this. And of course, oh my god, I should actually do this right now. Was it? Let me just get this first one. So yeah, I'm gonna put that and rename it to this item. Oh my god. This is extremely big. Like, look at it. If I hold this item, Minecraft is super laggy. So this item is gonna be the laggiest item ever. And look at it. Like, when I hold this item, it does not even, the game does not even look like Minecraft anymore. So this is really cool. And it starts lagging. Now look at the size of this, and then the size of this one here. Take this, I bring this one up here, and this one up here, and place both of them. Where's the other one? Look at it. This one is like 2 times bigger than this one. So yeah, that's really cool. And this is a double-sided, and this is an emoji, and then the other one on the other side. But if you guys made it a lot smaller sizes, so I chose 512 pixels and 1024 for the size. But if you guys made it a lot smaller, you guys could use it on stuff. I'm gonna actually try this on slash title as title. I'm gonna try it here. Did I get that? Oh, it's actually visible for, it's visible in here. And then title as action bar. Oh my god, this is, wait a minute. This is so cool. I feel like I know how to, so you guys know how the pumpkin blur effect, where's the pumpkin? The carved pumpkin. So if I put this on, right, I get this kind of effect. Now, I actually know how I can kind of do that effect by only just using that. Like, look at it. It's like I'm wearing something similar to that, and this is super cool. And I could talk all day about this. This is very cool, and of course, you guys should try it out. The mega size and the other size. If you guys are mobile and weak devices, do not make these sizes because it's gonna crash your device. It's gonna destroy your device. It's gonna explode your device. It's gonna burn your house down. It's gonna do all that bad stuff. So just don't make it a large size. I'm on PC. I'm fine. Like, iPads are fine. Phones, small screen devices, it's really hard. It's not gonna be able to render these stuff. It's gonna take a long time to load the stuff. So yeah, now let's move on to the next one. Next one would be, so yeah, there's also a manual version which is horrible. I like using the chart version, which is really fun and easy to use. Now let me go to the main page. No, main page. Okay. And the main page is really cool. It took me like 2 hours to make. And then there's these stuff which is for nerds who would like to do stuff. How am I offline? Nope, I'm not offline. Okay. Now I can go to tools. I don't know what else to talk about. The version infos right here. These basically are the scripting versions for scripters. And then there's the glyphs. I'm done with those. Tools. Image. like size changer, that's something cool. Quick tools. There is there's also the scripter, which is really cool, but I have these tutorials that you guys can watch. So this one I would suggest that you guys watch because this is a type. Wait, and menu creator type 1. Hold on, why can't I click? Okay, there you go. So this one is the one. So in this video, I talk about how, oh no, how you guys can make these stuff. So here I made this kick menu. Yeah, I forgot stuff. So I can select the player, I can kick the player, confirm the player, and a bunch of stuff. It's really cool. So yeah, you guys will learn how to make this menu. Not learn it, but it will make it for you. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, but don't worry. I mean, each one of them have their own purpose. This one is the type 2 creator for the text fields. So it's for the text fields, toggles, sliders. And then this one is for chat commands. So if you guys wanted to create your own command, something like, so if I wrote dot GMC, it will set my game mode to creative mode instead of typing out slash game mode and then creative. It's a lot shorter. What I could also do is dot kit, and that command would just give me a kit. And I'm actually going to go over that right now. I'm actually going to do it because it's really easy to do it. So I'm going to do this command here. I'm going to make it dot kit. So if I do that, I'm going to do give at s um wooden sword, give at s shield, and then give at s totem of undying, and then give at s golden apple 23, give at s dirt 20, like 64 for building blocks and stuff. So that kit command right there is gonna run all that commands. Now I can generate code and look at it. So yeah, that's the code. Now one thing to keep in mind is I can also change the delay. So the delay of when after I say this command, I can change the delay of when these commands will be run. So right now it's at around 1 Minecraft game tick. So it's around like 1/10 of a second, so 10 milliseconds, right? Yeah, no. Okay, it's around 10 milliseconds. What I can do is set this to 20 ticks, meaning it's gonna be 1 second. Let me actually see if yeah, there's, okay. And this will be 2 seconds. I'm gonna keep it as just 1 tick. Okay, now I can also add more commands. Let me add another one. It's gonna be, this one is gonna be, what should this be? This one is gonna be dot, um, no. I was gonna do levitation effect, so just give me levitation. What I can do is dot give, no, dot give CMD. So now if I write this command, dot give CMD, it'll just give me a command block. Give is command block. Dot give command block and generate code, and yeah. You can also add the delay for this and stuff. Now what I'm going to do is just copy code, all of it, copy just all of it. Now I'm going to open up another tab, click on search Minecraft Creator Hub, go to Quick Tools, and then go to script add-on creator. Then here, um, custom commands for MC. I'm just gonna put a random description. And as it says here, the first script file must be named main. Main. Okay. Now I'm just gonna simply paste these in here. Actually, no. Before I paste that in there, I have to click on this button, and then it'll copy some random code, and then I'll just click enter and leave some space so that I can paste this code here. I'm gonna copy it again, and now I can paste it, and now I'll just download it. And then double click it or just share it to Minecraft so that it's going to import to Minecraft just like that. Now I'm going to go activate the add-on. Activate add. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah. The reason why my game just froze right there for like 2 seconds is because it was trying to like load in all of this. Now imagine if my PC just froze for 2 seconds just because of these stuff. And I got like what 10 of this at max. And now if you guys were on phones and weak devices, it would literally crash Minecraft. Okay, dot give dot kit. There. I got myself my kit / clear. I can type that command in again. Dot kit. I got myself the shield, the kit, and everything. And the golden apple. And then the dirt, the totem. I was gonna / clear. And now dot give CMD. I got myself a command block now. Give CMD, command block, spam. Yeah, I can get the command blocks. And okay, I just cleared myself again. There, I can get all these stuff. And that just basically wraps up the chat run command thing. Now let's move on to the item click thing. Menu creator. I don't want to do that one, but I want to do this one because this one's also pretty cool. So I'm going to do item ID. I'm going to set this for, I'm going to set that for a piece of totem. Totem, do I need to start? So what I need to do is, since this is not a custom item, I need to start with Minecraft, colon, and then I need to put the item ID. So it's going to be totem of undying. So just like the /give command, you would get it, but just add the Minecraft colon thing because this is a Minecraft item, not a custom item. And then the command that it will run when that item is clicked is gonna be, it's gonna be replace item entity at s slot dot I forgot the command / replace item entity at s slot dot weapon dot offhand. Okay, so it was this 0 with totem of undying 1. Now it's just gonna, that command is just gonna run and then it'll immediately replace the item no matter even if I have like some kind of item in that offhand. Now what we can do is add another command above it to first test if the person who clicked the totem has another item in their offhand so that it won't just remove that item and replace it with a totem. So I'm going to do tag tag at s, has item equals, this is some JSON right here, so it's for like command block nerds. So if you're really good at commands, you guys know what I'm doing. Item equal totem of undying, no. Has item, I'm gonna test this in Minecraft because I don't know if this command is possible. Title at s, um, has item equal location equal slot dot weapon dot offhand title test. Missing item requirements for that thing. Okay, that's not gonna work. So what I need to do here is item equal shield, comma, location equal slot dot weapon dot off and gonna make this totem of undying, but we can also do shield, so it also tests for a shield. Add has totem. Now here we're gonna do tag equal has totem. So if the player clicked the totem item and the player does not have the has totem tag, then give them the totem and replace them in their offhand. Now what we can do is generate the code. And I'm just double checking that everything is correct. So I don't have to debug it and stuff. Yeah, it's all good. Now I'm gonna do this, go here, and simply just add it to the rest of my commands. So just go down, or actually I'm gonna just, oops, I'm gonna just refresh this page. So add-on name is gonna be just something random like item, click, um, description, I'm just gonna put random stuff. Domain, it has to start with main, so I'm gonna name it name. And then here, I'll have to copy the beginning code and paste it. And then paste the code that I got from here. And then I can just download it and import it to Minecraft like that. Easy as said. And now it's imported. I can go activate the pack. Boom. And guess what? You guys can officially claim the Minecraft add-on developer title now. Because you guys are actually developing the add-on. Even if you guys are just filling out forms and stuff. Because you technically created the stuff. Like, you filled out the form and you click that button, that says great. So that means, yeah, you guys are creators and you guys can have the credit for the add-on. Now, it was the totem item. So, here's the totem. If I click it, I'll have a totem in my offhand. Now, one thing that I forgot to do, I'll just go back here. I forgot to make it so that it clears the totem after doing that. So now I can go back here and add another line of command. Just copy this command. Oh, what did I just do? And another line of command, and then do that. This text field, like text area, is so small. But I'll fix that later. Item. main hand, since they clicked it with their main hand, I'm gonna, why is, with air. Now I'm gonna click generate code, double check and remove these ones that don't run any commands, copy the code, and then just change that again, boom, and double click import in Minecraft. And there you go. Right here, so I'm gonna delete this old one and then enable this one that's up at the top. I believe that's a new one. I did not, oh, you guys cannot see it. But basically what I did is just delete the old one and then rename the new one. And Minecraft just froze again because of the glyphs and stuff. It's really... Now if I do this, slash reload, why is it not working? Item unclicked, yeah. Oh, slash tag as remove as totem. Now it'll work. So what I forgot to do is just remove the tag after I'm done. Tag as remove as totem. That's all. Generate code and then just update the code once more. Yeah. So now if I get this totem, go in slash game mode D, no, game mode S. Now, instead of opening my inventory, clicking this item, putting it there, what I can do is simply click the item, and then it'll just automatically put it in my offhand. But if I have slash live as totem, but if I already have a totem in my offhand, it's not going to do anything. So even if I click it, it's not going to do anything. But if I lose that totem, and if I use it, I can just simply click it, and there. And if I, yeah, it's not gonna work because I have a totem in my offhand. I do this, boom, boom. Okay, now that wraps up the descriptor area. For the menu creators, you guys can watch the tutorial. I'm not gonna explain all that because I've already wasted the what, an hour and 20 minutes. Not wasted, I actually made a video explaining almost everything in this amazing website. This is for PC only, and this is really annoying, and this is really hard. It was also really hard to code it. Yeah. And if I do this, it'll just generate the image. Yeah. And I can also change the color here. So if I did this, and then the brush size, just do that. Download. It's just a simple pixel painter because before I created this, I searched the whole entire internet for a pixel painter, which is kind of like that, like a simple image painter thing, and I could not find anything that was free or anything that required a no sign up or something that was like quick and easy to do. So I just basically created this, but it's not as great as theirs. I mean, it's free ones. It's free and it's also really easy to use. Okay, well that covers that. Now tools, scripter, yeah, I got that. All I mean, I think I got like almost everything in here. Tools, JS obfuscator. This I'm just gonna go over with you guys like really quickly. What this does is, so if I paste in this code, and then click obfuscate, it'll just obfuscate that code. So the other person, so if you were like sharing this add-on that you made, just make sure to obfuscate the main.js file. So just copy everything in there and then just paste it here and then click obfuscate and then it'll just obfuscate it all. And guess what? This is super hard to understand, and this is like impossible to edit, like anything. It's really hard to know even what's going on. And right now I'm currently working on advanced obfuscator. So if I go here, yeah, this is the advanced obfuscator. It's still private. It's taking a lot of time to do, and I've not worked on it for like 2 weeks. I've worked on it for like 10 hours and then just quit. It's not. It's obfuscating really well. It's really hard to deobfuscate and stuff, but it still has a lot of issues. But yeah, that's gonna basically wrap up everything with this site. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye all, and also drop a like, and if you guys haven't already, subscribe. And yeah, basically that's it. If you guys have any questions, just tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.